Hello everyone. We did our project on Deal or No Deal. My name is Nivea.
This is Charles.
Alright. Our problem statement for this project was an TV executive wants a new show that deals with the probability of a user selecting a case with a certain amount of money in it. However, if the case is not what they want to take home, it will be a no deal, which will make the user continue to play until they reach a deal they want.
So what we set out to do, users choose from a set number of cases, 1 to 10. Each case holds an unknown value to the user, and then if the user wants to keep the score, they'll click deal, otherwise they'll click no deal and keep playing. We want to make sure it had a scoreboard that holds the user's latest score. We also want to make sure that the game presents the user with different scenarios, causes them to make a decision based on probability.
What our code features, each button is only visible for the user to choose one time, then disappears. The how to play page has been reduced to a text box. The scoreboard has been given its own page that records the latest scores for the user. The deal button makes the user keeps its score, shows the score of the user. The no deal button allows the user to try and get a better score. For example.
Alright, so this is the code. This is the program right here. As you can see, click up top, you can hit scoreboard. The latest score is 0 for right now. So go ahead and close that. And so we're going to choose 3. And so you see how this value disappeared. So the value right now is 250. If you choose to take the deal, you can. If not, we're going to go ahead and click no deal. Notice how the deal, this changes. This is called the help box. This helps the user know what to do. We click no deal, it changes back to choose the box, choose 7, another value disappears, and then a new value is basically, what's the word? Shown. And so we're going to go ahead and click deal for this one, and it shows your final score for that one is 450. You can restart the menu. You can restart from the menu up here where it says restart, where it resets everything. You go to scoreboard, and your latest score was 450 still. So it saves this and starts the game over also.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and go to the code. Okay, we'll do the score one because that one's easiest. All the score does is it takes user scored, which is a public variable, and it just loads it every time the scoreboard is loaded up. It loads it up and then it displays it. And then this is our actual code.
Yeah. As you can see, we had to make some buttons visible, non-visible. So that way, if a user was to click a case, it would only click that case, and that score will only be shown, not another.
Yeah. So each button has its own value set to it right here, and then each one has it. Each one changes the help box to help the user know what stage they are in the game. And then scroll all the way down. These are all the buttons still, and then we have a disable function, which basically disables the button once they click it. And then we also have a restart, which resets everything from the top, all including the text, the help box, and it enables both the deal and the no deal button. And then once the no deal button is clicked, it resets. I forgot they can't say that. It resets the score to 0 and the box, and then makes everything visible that was there before. And then the deal basically ends the game, but it doesn't close it until the user closes the program. And then this right here is the universal one. So it takes the user score and sends it to the universal one, which is all the way up here, which is right here. And then that's it.